Oh, hello there. Let's go make a video. Come on, let's go. Come on, what are you waiting for? Let's go, come with me. Why do I always have to carry you? Come on, let's go make a video. Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to put antifreeze in your car. As you all knew, winter is coming and you have to prepare your precious car for the winter. One of many steps of preparing your car is to put antifreeze liquid in your car so the liquid in your radiator and your cooling system does not freeze. The first step that you have to do is to open the hood, and on this car it's right over here. Yeah, it does not make a clicking sound just because. Success! Now, as many of you may know, the cars run on some form of coolant. And in this case, this car runs on the blue type of coolant. You have to mix up the coolant, 50% coolant, 50% water. But this coolant is ready to use, so you just have to pour it in and you're ready to go. Remember this, when you pour coolant in your car, the car has to be cold. It's early in the morning or at least 5 hours after you drove the car, or else you will get burned, you will get damaged, and all those bad things that. Yeah. So this is the hole pour in the liquid. There is no measuring system anywhere, so I guess it's just like the Zhiguli's radiator. Pour in until it fills up. So let's do that. My advice is don't just use any kind of coolant that you find, because it may damage your engine. And the way that you open it is to squeeze the bottle cap until it opens, and there we go. And here we go. As you can see, it's the blue type of coolant, which is for this exact car. And I don't know if you can see this, but there it is. You close the cap, not too tight, and you can start up the car and drive till the wheels fall off. And now you know how to put coolant in your car. Thanks for watching the Bulgarian channel, and I see you in the next video. Блин.